Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a GitHub account. So all you need to do is to go to github.com. Once you land on github.com, click on the sign up button on the right top hand side. It will ask you for an email, a password, and multiple other things, but let's start with the email. Use an email that you use as more of a serious email that you have. Like, don't use it for the ones that you're using for advertisements and such. Choose a strong password, choose a username, and I'm just going to use my username as number 2. Select your region, and if you want to receive occasional product updates, click on that. It does verify your email and then sends a code to your email. I'm just going to go grab that code from my email. And once it verifies that, you will be able to just log into GitHub. So got wavelet2, that's the username that I used. I'm just going to punch in the password. And once I do that, I'm in. I have just landed into my GitHub account. So this is pretty easy. You can just go ahead and complete your profile with an image and such. But essentially, this is where you will land.